Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos. Today we are going to take questions from arithmetic progression case studies, which would be very helpful for class 10 CBSE students. And these can be questions whose format is same as are the questions which are asked in the boards. Let us look at the first question. The question tells us Jaspal Singh is an auto driver. His auto rickshaw was too old and he had to spend a lot of money on repair and maintenance every now and then. One day he got to know about the EV scheme, which is electrical vehicle, of the government of India, where he can not only get a good exchange bonus but also avail heavy discounts on the purchase of an electric vehicle. So he took a loan of rupees 1,18,000 from a reputed bank and purchased a new auto rickshaw. Jaspal Singh repays his total loan of rupees 1,18,000 by paying every month, starting with the first installment of rupees 1,000. Question number one says if he increases the installment by 100 rupees every month, then what will be the amount paid by him in the 30th installment? Now let us understand. See, the question says in the first month he pays 1000 rupees, then next month he pays 1100 rupees, in the next month he pays 1200 rupees. If you read the question, what is it saying? If he increases the installment by 100 rupees every month. And we are asked what amount he will pay in the 30th installment. So this is an AP where A is 1000, D is 100, and we are asked to find A30. So A30 would be what? It should be equal to A, which is 1000, plus N minus 1. So 30 minus 1 is 29 times D. Okay, which formula are we using? AN equals A plus N minus 1D. Okay, so this gives us the amount he will pay on the 30th installment. Yeah, so you can now see that the answer is 3,900. So you have to show the working and show that the amount of 30th installment is 3,900 rupees. Now, let us look at question number second. Again, this condition is same. He is increasing installment by 100 rupee every month. Then what amount of loan does he still have to pay after 30th installment? Now think, see, he is repaying his loan. So after, every month whenever he is repaying, so his loan amount will get reduced by whatever he has paid. So to solve this part, that amount of loan he still has to pay, first we should know how much loan he has paid by 30th installment. That means we should know that what is S30. Okay, if we know the sum of the amount he has paid through installment in 30 installments, then we would be able to figure out what is the loan amount pending. Which formula we are going to use? Sn equals n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, where n is the number, so number here is 30, so let us put these value. So 30 by 2, 2 times a, we figured out a is 1000, so 2 times 1000 is a 2000, plus 30 minus 1, which is 29 times 100. Okay, so what will we get? So we get here 15, and that gets multiplied with 4,900. Yeah, if you solve the bracket inside, 2,900 and 2,000 is 4,900. So we are telling first what is the total amount he has paid up till now. Okay. So you will get the answer as 73,500. Okay. 15 nines are 135, 15 fours are 60, and you add 13 to that and you get the amount. But the question is, what is the loan amount he still has to pay? So what is the total loan? It was 1,18,000. From that, let us subtract. So 1,18,000 minus 73,500, and that would be our answer. Okay, so he still has to pay 44,500 rupees. That's the answer for second question. Now, third question is, if he increases the installment by 100 rupees per month, which is what he's has been doing, then what amount will be paid by him in the 100th installment? Okay, so what is the amount paid by, then what amount will be paid by, just a second, my pen is, yeah, what amount will be paid by him in the 100th installment? So it is like this question only. Yeah. So here you have to find a 100. Okay. So I am leaving this question for you, or should I do it? Chalo, let us do it. So a 100 would be 1000 plus 99 times 100. Okay. So we get 1000 plus 9,900. So the amount he is going to pay in the 100th installment would be 10,900. Okay. Now the or question says, if he increases the installment by rupees 200 every month, and then what will he pay in the 40th installment? Now, see, his first installment is 1000 only. Now, instead of 100 rupees every month, he is increasing it by 200. So, what has happened? D has become 200. So, let us change D to 200 and get the answer for this or question also. So, we will say A40 in this case would be 1000 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 times a 200. So you get 1000 plus 7,800. So he would have paid 8,800 rupees in the 40th installment. Okay. So this is how this question is done. Now let us move to next kind of question. Now this question is important in the sense that this kind of questions are asked very often in the boards. It's a very simple question, but this kind of question where some manufacturing of TV is happening or some product is happening, and they will give you certain data and you are asked to find the solution. So let's read the question. It says, India is a competitive manufacturing location due to low cost of manpower and strong technical and engineering capabilities, contributing to higher quality production runs. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. So they have told that the increase every year is a fixed number. Now this factory produced 16,000 sets in sixth year and 22,600 sets in the ninth year. Okay. So again, first understand what kind of question is this? This is an AP. Why this is an AP? Because the question tells us there is fixed increase every year. Okay, by a fixed number every year there is an increase. Now they have given production in sixth year. That means we know A6 is 16,000. They are also telling us A9, the production in the ninth year is 22,600. Okay. So now they are saying find the production during first year. Basically, we have to find A, the first term of this AP. So what is the formula for AN? We know that A plus n minus 1d. So what should be the formula for A6? A6 would be, just give me a second, I'll change the color of the pen. A6 would be A plus 5d, which is equal to 16,000, while A9 should be A plus 8d, which is equal to 22,600. Now, can you see we have got a simultaneous equation in which, see, in if I write this as equation 1 and equation 2, both of them have A as same term and the signs are also same. So what should we do? Subtract equation second from equation first to get rid of A. So I am using elimination method. Okay. We will shortly do a series on simultaneous equation also, where we will discuss various ways of solving a simultaneous equation. So A minus A gone, 5 minus 8 is minus 3D, and the term 22,600 is bigger with a negative sign, so the answer would be minus. I have to subtract 16,000 from 22,600. So you will get this, and D is minus of 6,600 over minus 3, so which is 2,200. Basically, the fixed number every year is 2,200. But our question is what? Find the production during first year. So for that, we need to find A. Let us go back to this equation. A plus 5D equals 16,000. So A plus 5 times 22,000, 2,200 is equal to 16,000. So A plus 11,000 equals 16,000. Subtract 11,000 from both sides. Okay. And you will get A as 5,000. And that is the answer for first question. That in the first year, the production was 5,000 rupees. Okay. Now, we know A, which is 5,000. We know D, which is 2,200. Let us write it down. Just a second. Let me erase this. Uh, Please rewind the video and see this again in case this simultaneous equation part was not clear. As I told you, we would be making a video on simultaneous equation very shortly. So A, which is production in first year, is 5,000. D we got as 2,200. Now it says, second question says, find the production during eighth year. Okay. Now eighth year means we have to find A8. So which would be what? A, which is 5,000, plus 8 minus 1, which is 7, times 2,200. What am I doing? I am doing An equals A plus n minus 1d. N happens to be 8 and I am just putting the numbers there. So we will have 5,000 plus 15,400, and that will give us the answer as 20,400. So that is the production during the eighth year. Okay. Now let us look at the next question. It says find the production during first 3 years. That means what? We have to find, either we can do find first year production, second year production, third year production and add them, or we can just say that S3. Okay. What is Sn? We want to find the total number of sets produced during first 3 years. So that is S3, and I am going to use n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d formula and get S3 as 3 upon 2. 2a means 5,000 into 2, which is 10,000, plus n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, times 2,000. 200. So we get 3 by 2. Now 2 times 2,200 is 4,400 plus 10,000. So 14,400. This is divisible by 2. Let's do that. So we get 3 times 7,200 and that gives us our answer. So the production during first 3 years is 21,600. Okay. Now let us look at the OR question as well. Okay. Keeping in mind A is 5,000 and D is 2,200. Okay. Now it says in which year the production is 29,200. So they are saying there is some year n which we do not know. So AN is 29,200. We have to find the n. Which year is it? So again use the same formula AN which is 29,200 equals A which is 5,000 plus n minus 1 times D which is 2,200. Now this 5,000 we can bring it to this side and make it 29,200 minus 5,000 which is equal to n minus 1 times 2,200. So let's do this one. So we will get 24,200 equals n minus 1 times 2,200. So 2,200 will come here and divide and you will get this number 22 ones are 22 and then 22 ones are 22 and n minus 1. So n equals 11 plus 1. So the answer is in the 12th year, the production would be 29,200. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and keep on watching this channel because we are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos, and we are coming up with many more videos on maths, physics and chemistry. Do like the video, share your invaluable comments and share the video with your classmates and friends. Thank you for watching.